welcome back, and today I have another model from Empisal. So thank you once again to Empisal South Africa for sending me the Empisal 9D Overlocker. I cannot wait. Let's get straight into the unboxing. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the inside. Hello love, so I come back. Let us unbox this Empisal 9D Overlocker. Okay, so it's got some sellotape running on the top of the box. Okay, the box is sealed, so I'm just gonna grab my pair of scissors and we are gonna open that up, right? I'm just trying to be gentle. Okay, make sure you don't cut yourself, right? So we're just gonna open it up and then expose the box to see what we have inside of the box. Okay, so there we are. Here I am opening it up, and first things first, you can see there's like what do you call this, a protective packaging. I think it's not polyester, man. Not polyester, it's a polystyrene. I've forgotten, but you guys can correct me in the comment section. So here's the dust bag over there, and here is the plug and the footer, okay, to actually run the machine, okay, that you use to connect the sewing machine to your power source. So I'm going to take out that polystyrene protective packaging and put that to the side, and the sewing machine comes like that, so it's already in a steady position, which I like, and it's wrapped in plastic. As you guys can see, there's not so much going on in there. This overlocker is a good size, okay. It's not too small, not too big. It's manageable, but it's got weight. Okay, so be very, very careful when you are, carrying it or taking it out the box, because you don't want to drop the machine. So I'm gonna try to go in there and literally lift. Okay, I also took out the manual. Here's a manual that also comes with the machine. As you guys can see, those are the accessories that come inside the box. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and then I'm gonna try to tilt the box. Okay. And we're going to try get this baby out. Please exercise caution. Okay, do not drop the machine. All right, there we go. There we go. Carry the machine carefully. Okay, I just need to stabilize a little bit. Make sure you do not drop the machine. Okay, so we got it out of its box. And I'm going to take the box and put it to the side. All right. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm just going to put that polyester packaging back inside the box, because we want to keep this box and the packaging as is, right? Because Empisal South Africa sent us this machine. So I'm going to take the machine and I'm going to place it on the table over here, and then we're going to take it out of its plastic wrap, right? So it's easy to just take out of the plastic wrap. The plastic wrap is big enough. Okay, nothing does, get caught by like the machine. And then the mistake I made was putting the machine on the table. So it's got these rubber little stands like on the corners of the machine, like the actual foot, which literally glues to your surface, so the machine literally doesn't move. So I was like, oh, what's going on? Let me just check. Oh, do you see? It literally, I don't know what you call this stuff, but you guys know what this is. Okay, so it's got these, yes, and those literally glue down to whatever surface you put the machine on. I think it's basically to just make it sturdy, to make it stay in place, to avoid the machine, from slipping and falling by any, accident or mistake, which I absolutely, absolutely love. So we're going to place this. Okay, I'm just turning it around so you guys can see where the cotton reels are, so you guys can just have like a good look at the machine. Like I said, it's not huge, but do not be deceived. It is very heavy. Okay, so this is the Empisal 9D Overlocker, right? And this is what it looks on the outside. And I will definitely be doing a video of how to thread it. So these are all the things that come with the machine: the footer, the manual, the cover, and here's a close-up of the actual machine. It is really beautiful. I love the color coding, okay, of the machine. It helps with guiding you for threading purposes. But stay tuned. See you guys in our next video, where I show you how to thread this machine.